Hi students, good morning. Yesterday we have discussed order and degree. Order means highest power of highest derivative of differential equation. dy by dx whole square plus 6 dy by dx plus 3y equal 0. In that highest order is 1. Degree means the highest power of highest order. So 2, 1 which is highest 2. 2 is the degree of the differential equation. While finding degree, it should be polynomial in terms of derivative. If it is not polynomial in terms of derivative, degree does not exist. Degree does not exist. Okay. So yesterday we have discussed some problems. So let us practice. I think in previous CET questions up to 18 we have done. Question number 19. The general solution of the differential equation 2x into dy by dx minus y equal to 3 is a family of 1. Hyperbola, B. Parabola, C. Straight line, D. Circle. 2x into dy by dx equal to y plus 3. This is transpose that side, or divided by x. Divided by x. Are you following? You can write like this also, 3 plus y, y plus 3. So variable and separable, dy by y plus 3 equal to dx by x. So apply integration, 2 into 1 by y plus 3 integration log of y plus 3 equal to log x plus both side log is there c. So log of y plus 3 whole square, log of m plus n, log of m into n, c into x. So y plus 3 whole square equal to cx. So this is in the form of parabola. This is correct. Next, if m and n are degree and order, next question number 20, m and n are degree and order of the differential equation 1 plus y1 square whole power 2 by 3 equal to y2. Then the value of m plus n by m minus n equals. Tell me order. It's a 2 by 3. So it is radical, make it free from radical. 1 plus y1 square whole power 2 by 3 whole cube equal to y2 whole cube. Get cancel. 1 plus y1 square whole square equal to y2 cube. What is order? M. Order is m. Highest order 2. Degree n is 3. Substitute here m plus n. 2 plus 3 by m is 2 minus 3, 5 by minus 1 which is equal to minus 5. So here m is order and degree. Sorry, m is degree and n is order. So this is the m and this is the n. Then 2 plus 3, here 3 minus 2. So you will get 1. 5 by 1 is 5. Next, the general solution of dy by dx equal to root of 1 minus x square minus y square plus x square into y square. Root of 1 minus x square minus y square take common, 1 minus x square. 1 minus x square take common, 1 minus y square. dy by dx. dy by root of 1 minus y square dx into root of 1 minus x square. Integration which is equal to sine inverse y which is equal to root of 1 minus x square. Root of 1 minus x square integration is x by 2 root of 1 minus y square. This is formula root of a square minus x square equal to x by 2 root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sin inverse x by a. Now x by 2 root of 1 minus x square plus 1 by 2 sin inverse of x. This is understood. 2 transpose this side, fourth option is right, plus 2 transpose this side, fourth option is right. Question number 22, the solution of e power dy by dx equal to x when x equal to 1 and y equal to 0. E power dy by dx equal to x, right? Dy by dx, apply log on both sides, log of e power dy by dx equal to log x. This is come this side, dy by dx, log e base equal to 1 log x. So dy equal to log x into dx. Integration of dy is y, integration of log x, uv, this is u and v is 1, u log x, v integration of 1 dx minus derivative of log x is 1 by x, integration of 1 is x, get cancelled. So y equal to log x integration of 1 x integration of 1 dx x plus c. Next, the general solution of the differential equation, question number 33, root of 1 minus x square y square dx equal to y dx plus x into dy, right? Root of 1 minus x square and y square, here options are, first option is sin inverse sin of xy equal to x plus c, second option sin inverse of xy plus x equal to c, third option is sin of x plus c equal to xy, fourth option is sin of xy plus x equal to c. Yes. Now variable and separable here. Here root of 1 minus, this is root of 1 minus dx equal to y dx plus x dy by root of 1 minus xy whole square. If you apply integration here, integration of dx is x. See, a square minus f of x, this is f dash x by root of a square minus f of x whole square dx equal to sin inverse of f of x by a. Here xy derivative y dx plus x dy, this derivative is there. So tell me sin inverse of f of x by 1 xy plus c, this is the answer. So which option is right? Sin inverse of xy equal to x. C you can write this side or that side. This is, you can take any side. This. Question number 24. M and n are the order and degree of the differential equation. Y double dash whole power 5 plus 4 into y double dash of whole cube by y triple dash plus y triple dash equal to sin x. Then m is order, here n is degree. Tell me order is highest derivative triple dash, third degree highest power of highest derivative. What is the power of this? When you take common here, y triple dash whole square will get, so 2, degree is 2. Understood? Order is 3, degree is 2. Next, question number 25. Y is equal to x into dy by dx plus 2 by dy by dx. What is order and degree? Take LCM here. dy by dx. You can get here x into dy by dx whole square plus 2. Transfer this side. Y into dy by dx equal to x into dy by dx whole square plus 2. Yes, what is order? Order is highest derivative. Highest derivative is 1. What about degree? Degree is your power 1, power 2, which is highest 2. Degree is 2. Next. Question number 26. The general solution of the differential equation dy by dx plus y by x equal to 3x. General solution. Here options: y is equal to x square plus c by x. Second option, y equal to x square minus c by x. Third option, y is equal to x plus c by x. Fourth option is y is equal to x minus c by x. This is a linear differential equation. If this is, you compare with dy by dx plus p of x into y equal to q of x. Tell me what is p? 1 by x. Q is 3x. Now the integrating factor e power integration of p dx. E power integration of p. P is 1 by x dx. 1 by x integration is log x. Base is e. Log x base e is x. Now the general solution is y into integrating factor integration of q if into dx. Y into integrating factor is x, q 3x, if 1 by x dx. Get cancel. Y into x integration of 3x is 3x plus c. This is the answer. Divided by x here, right? You will get y is equal to 3, it is dy by dx plus y by x equal to 3x. It's 3x, it's mistake, it is a 3, it is not x, 3. If it is 3 here, 3x square here, then 3x square here, okay. Instead of 3, I think it's mistake, x square I think, okay. X, if you take cancel, x integration here, x square by 2, x square by 2. Okay, p is 1 by x, q is 3, 3x if you take, what happen? 3x if you take 3 into x, x get cancelled, 3x, 3x plus c. So y is equal to divided by x, 3 plus c by x. 3 plus c by x. 3 plus c by x, where is 3 plus c by x is not there, so it is a mistake. It is, I think, x cube. It's a mistake. Okay, as per this question, if you take 3x, this is the answer. So there is no option here. Okay, that is grace mark. I think here printing mistake. That let me check it. Okay, whatever it may be, as by this way, by this question, the answer is this is y is equal to 3 plus c by x. Okay. If it is x cube here, if it is x cube, here we will get x cube, then here x cube, then get cancel x square. X square integration is x cube by 3 plus c. Then divided by x, y is equal to x square by 3 plus c by x. X square by 3 plus c by x. So it is a mistake here. So next, I think that time it was grace mark. Next, the order of differential equation of all circles given radius a. 27th question, order of differential equation of all circle given radius a. All circle given radius a, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal radius is a square. This is given. So h and k are arbitrary constant. So number of arbitrary constant equal to order of the differential equation. So what is order? 2. Order is 2, which is equal to number of arbitrary constants. Next, question number 28. The solution of the differential equation x into dy by dx plus 2y equal to x square. Yes, this is same 26 model only. This is first divide by x, dy by dx plus 2y by x equal to x. So what is p here? What is the p here? P is equal to 2 by x. Q is x. Integrating factor e power integration of p dx, e power integration of 2 by x dx, e power 2 log x. Log x differentiation is e here. So we will get e power log of x square base e, which is equal to x square. Yes. Then general solution here, y into integrating factor integration of q if into dx. Y into integrating factor is x square. Integration of q is x into x, if is x square dx. Y x square, x cube integration is x power 4 by 4 plus c. Divided by x square here, x square by 4 plus c by x square. X square by 4 plus c by x square. Next, question number 29. Integrating factor of x into dy by dx minus y equal to x power 4 minus 3x. Divide by x, dy by dx minus y by x equal to x cube minus 3. X cube minus 3. Then what is p? Minus 1 by x. Q is not necessary, just they asked integrating factor. E power integration of p dx. E power integration of minus 1 by x dx. E power minus log x base e, x power minus 1, which is equal to 1 by x. This is the if. Question number 30. The solution of the differential equation dy by dx plus dx dy by dx plus y by x equal to, no, I think it is dy by, question is mistake, dy by dx, again dx is there, it is not wrong, it is dy by, I think x, dy by x plus dx by x, I think. Yes, dy by y it is, and dx by x equal to 0. dy by y equal to minus dx by x. This get cancel here. Okay, dy by d log y equal to minus log x plus log c. Log of y plus log of x equal to log c. Log of m plus log of n, log of m into n. C is equal to xy. C is equal to xy. Question number 31. Order and degree of the differential equation 1 plus y dash whole square plus sine of y dash whole power 3 by 4 equal to d square y by dx square. What is order? Order is highest derivative 2. What is the degree? Degree, this is does not exist because which is not polynomial, so does not exist. Next, example problems. The degree of the differential equation 1 plus dy by dx whole cube equals d square y by dx square whole square. Degree means here order. What is the order here? 2. 2 is the highest power. What is the degree? Power of this is 2. So degree is 2. Degree is 2. Next, the degree of the differential equation d square y by dx square plus 3 into dy by dx whole square equals x square into log of d square y by dx square. The degree of the differential. What is the order? What is the order? 2. What is the degree? Does not exist. Why? Because log of d square y by dx square, which is not polynomial. So degree does not exist. Question number 3. The order and degree of the differential equation 1 plus dy by dx whole square equal to d square y by dx square respectively. So what is order? Order is 2. Highest derivative is 2. Tell me the degree. Degree is the power of this 1. Degree is 1. The order of the differential equation of all circle of given radius a. Already we have discussed the same question, it was asked in CET. The solution of the differential equation 2x into dy by dx minus y equal to 3. 2x into dy by dx equal to y plus 3. Just now we have solved it is. This is from exemplar. Dy by y plus 3 equal to dx by x. So 2 into this is log of y plus 3 equal to log of x plus log of c. So log of y plus 3 whole square equal to log of cx. So y plus 3 whole square equal to cx. So this is the parabola. This is parabola. The integrating factor of the differential equation dy by dx into x log x plus y equal to 2 log x. So divide by x log x. Dy by dx plus y by x log x equal to 2 log x by x log x. This get cancelled. Here p is 1 by x log x, q is 2 by x. Integrating factor is e power integration of p dx, e power integration of 1 by x log x dx, e power integration of 1 by x by log x. So log x derivative is here e power log of log x base e, which is equal to log x. Which of the following is not homogeneous function? First option x square plus 2xy, second option 2x minus y, third option cos square y by x plus y by x, fourth option is sin x minus cos y. So this degree is same 2, 2, 2 homogeneous, 1, 1 equal degree. This is same, k by k cancel, it is also homogeneous, but this is not homogeneous. Why? Because if you put in place of x sin kx minus cos ky, k we can't take out, k raised to n into f of x comma y, we can't write this. So it is not homogeneous. This is the correct option. Solution of the differential equation dx by x, that we have already discussed, dx by x plus dy by y equal to 0. Apply integration. This is log x plus log y equal to constant log c. So log m plus log n, log of m into n, log c, x y equal to c. Next, question number 10th also we have repeated. The degree of the differential equation d square y by dx square whole square plus dy by dx whole square equal to x into sine of dy by dx. What is degree? Degree not defined. Degree not defined. Why? Because sine of dy by dx is not polynomial. Next, the degree of the differential equation 1 plus dy by dx whole square and whole power 3 by 2 equal to d square y by dx square. Squaring on both sides, then 1 plus y dash square and whole power square. If you apply square on both sides, get cancel here cube and d square y by dx square whole square here. So what is degree? Highest derivative is 2. What is the power of this is 2. So degree is 2. Degree is 2. Next, the order and degree of the differential equation d square y by dx square plus dy by dx whole power 1 by 4 plus x power 1 by 5 equal to 0 respectively. Order is 2. But here degree, this is we can't make free from radicals. If you make this free from, then here we'll get fraction. So it is not polynomial in terms of derivative. So that's why degree does not exist. Degree does not exist. For example, d square y by dx square minus of dy by dx whole power 1 by 4 plus x power 1 by 5. If you apply whole power 20, then here a plus b whole square, l plus b whole power 20 means binomial expansion, you will get again fractions here. So when it get you can't make it free from radicals, then it is not polynomial in terms of derivative. Therefore degree does not exist. Okay, remaining we'll discuss.